I've invented a new sport here, wacrosse or aquacrosse. You know, water lacrosse. So I've invented a new sport here, wacrosse or aquacrosse. You know, water lacrosse.
Okay, Professor. All right, ready?
Oh yeah! Oh good, nice, good balance. That was really good balance. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, first
All
round.
right.
There you go. There you go.
Yes, that was a good catch.
Yes. There you go. There you go.
I kept my balance better that time too. Here we are, live on Peter Street Basin with a newly invented game.